Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly once again with Inbound Revenue. Check us out online at www.inboundrevenue.com if you have any Google Ads questions, needs, or anything else. This is a continuation of our Google Ads niche competition series, and today we're looking at the Tampa Bay area concrete contractors to see how competitive that niche is. We're going to show you a little bit of everything that's going on, how many ads are running per hour during the period that we took a look at, what the search competition is, some of the advertisers, some of the ads, and some of the landing pages. Let's dive in. So we run a 24-hour period, and you can see during that 24-hour period, especially during daytime hours, it got quite competitive with up to 21 advertisers in the concrete space. Keep in mind that we target Tampa, Clearwater, Lakeland, and St. Petersburg for this particular region. So quite a few advertisers there. Let's look at the search competition. Frankly, this one is some of the heaviest search competition that I've seen for in the Tampa region for some of the niches that we took a look at. I was a little bit surprised that it was this heavy for concrete. Concrete, by the way, is one of my favorite niches, and it's underserved by the agency community. You can see we go from very competitive. This is Weebly up here. So I'm imagining that is a lead gen play as opposed to a local advertiser, all the way down to these folks down here. So there's a lot of competition. Let's take a look and see the keywords that I used. I went with some very obvious ones: concrete company near me, concrete services near me, concrete contractors, concrete company, driveway contractors, because that had a fair amount of search, and there is some search volume around cement as well. Obviously, there are other keywords that you could use. Those are the ones I selected. Let's look at our advertisers, and let's see who's running the most ads. So at the top, we have Weebly, who I'm not familiar with, but we're just about to become familiar with them, and LRE Foundation Repair, then Home Advisor, Thumbtack. These are obviously national lead gen websites. So let's take a look at some of the ads here. So Weebly, let's see what type of ads they're running. Clearwater concrete, patios, driveways, and sidewalks. Patios, driveways, and sidewalks. 100% free concrete quote. Oh, it's not Weebly. It's a Weebly site. Forgive me, folks. Let's take a look at the Weebly site. Concrete. Okay, so they're driving their traffic presumably right to their website, which has a form of a sort and a phone number. Not my favorite site, but not terrible. So that was a little confusing to me. Let's look at who's number 2 here, the Foundation Repair Company. Let's take a look at their ads. Tampa, concrete contractors, driveway stair, and patio repair. Interesting. And I do see some extensions here, some extensions here. I don't see any offers in the ads. No $500 or $50 off, or no numbers, no number 1 local. We like numbers in ads because they increase click-through rate. Let's take a look at where they're going to. It looks like it's a sub-page off their main page, off their main site. Let's see. Concrete services. And a picture of someone sticking a tool in concrete. I don't know. Is that something people do in concrete? So, yeah, it's all right. It's not a landing page. It's more part of their website, I'd say. It does have a phone number, does have a form. So, you can't beat up on them too much. Let's take a quick look at number 3 and 4. Home Advisor, Thumbtack, we know what they're going to be all about. Let's take one more look at level 1 grading, dirt, sod, concrete, grading, excavation services. They have some extensions. No offers, not much in terms of descriptions. Let's see what their site looks like. I assume it's going to take us to the homepage of their website, and it does. Okay. Not my favorite. I would highly recommend the landing page for these folks. So that's a quick overview of concrete in the Tampa Bay region. Very competitive. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, drop your questions in the comments below. If you'd like us to run a similar job for a niche or a region that's interesting to you, drop that below. If you need any help with your Google Ads, remember, always reach out to Inbound Revenue. Talk to you guys soon.